Okay, this is the final installment for today, at least, of my my dancing wind turbine idea. You can see I've made some cuts in the bag. This is a tube that I made from plastic bag. I cut the edges so as to look more like this, although you can see what a terrible job I've done. I suspected that there might be a problem with my spinner, so I put a just simple string at the top, but that didn't change anything in terms of the overall performance, which I will demonstrate now. So let's take a look at the wonders of helix. And now let's look at my rather unsatisfactory design. Alright, it doesn't even move. It moves away from the wind, but it doesn't spin in the wind like this does. You can see that, how it spins. It spins from almost any direction which I direct the wind at. This one doesn't spin at all. So, now you might be wondering what I'm talking about when I say the dancing guy, or the inflatable wind turbine, but let me show you what I mean. Alright, so we've all seen these. Almost everybody's seen these. Now, let's go ahead and just give a demonstration here of what it looks like. Forgive the noise. Okay, so there it is. Sky Dancer multi-tube skywall. Now, imagine this guy to be 200 feet tall, and not a man, but a spinning helix. I'll show you what that would look like. We'll go to VAWT, and search. Vertical air wind turbine, and there's lots of them out there, so let's go with this one just so you see what the design looks like. And so it spins vertically. This is silent Vought. Let's go to the other ones. There's a bunch of other similar designs, all more or less capitalizing on the same idea. My idea, and I'm not the first one, but my idea is to use very similar design. This one is Vought low wind speed electric generator jet blade. That's interesting. You got something there. Now the design itself, these most of the VAWTs don't spin very fast at low altitude, because low altitude winds are so low. If you make your wind turbine, put your wind turbine 200, 300 feet up in the air, or 50 to 100 meters up in the air, you've got something real. So connect the Sky Dancer, connect the canisters. You can see down here, here's the Sky guy. Connect the canister to a generator, and you have a spinning blade and generator that could be as high as your imagination takes you. Now, of course, again, we go with a more design that emphasizes the helix. Let's see if we get a helix Vought. Helix, VAWT. Sorry for the jiggle, but I'm doing this left-handed. Helix Vought. Right there. Helix wind turbine. This guy's put one together with a plastic shell. Helix wind turbine. You can find more about him on Activo. But there's the design. Now imagine that as a semi-strong inflatable plastic, 200 feet, 300 feet in the air, right there. See that? You do the same thing, 200, 300 feet higher, and you've got a real wind turbine. A wind turbine that is inflatable, easy to manufacture, relatively easy to manufacture, and could be generating enormous amounts of energy. Thank you.